Hi, I'm Mark Elliott. I teach chemistry, both regular as well as honors for the school year 2021. My room is 11A and have been back at plant this is be my third year back. I've been teaching over 11 years and wanted to give you some information about the upcoming chemistry class you and your child will be taking. So, a couple things going forward. What you need for my class is relatively simple. You need a 3-ring binder, either an inch or an inch and a half, with 5 dividers. You will need a basic scientific calculator, something that looks along this line. Simply nothing that is fancy, but if you do have one that you're going to be taking a math class with, that is better, then that is fine as well, just so that you have a calculator that you can be using. And really, that's it. Pretty much everything else is in the text. What I do expect is that the effort be given to succeed in the class. I judge my success on how you as a class do collectively against Hillsborough County in exams, and I have always finished above the county average, and I fully anticipate to finish in that fashion with you this year. So anticipate giving the effort, and you will find that I am a very amenable guy. However, if you don't do the work, then it's basically woe be you. But the point being is, it is a rigorous course, and expectations are there. So I expect you to ask questions. If you don't understand, please ask questions. I do not know you don't understand if you don't tell me. So during the course, I will ask, is everybody on board? Or are we all good, etc., something along that line. And if you choose not to say, I don't understand, could you do another problem, etc., then I will move forward. So there's a saying for that. Acquiescence is acknowledgement. So you can expect from me to support you, to challenge you on your work. And with that said, I will support you in all fashions. So 2021 is a very new year for us. Lots of going on with COVID-19. So I'm sure you all are a little anxious about it, as well as all the faculty at Plant is as well. So it's a combined effort, two-way street, and you will find that everybody gets along well. So again, I look forward to meeting you all in person, and my email address through the school is Mark, M-A-R-K, Elliott, ELLIOTT, at sdhc.k12.florida.us. Feel free to reach out, and we will be seeing you in several weeks. Thanks now.